Hi everyone, it's Miss Velasco. Today I'm going to be teaching you about writing equivalent expressions. What does equivalent mean? It means the same. Do you hear equal in there? You should. Equivalent. So this is lesson 1-11. Before we get started, I want to review the distributive property with you. And the distributive property says that A times the quantity of B plus C is the same thing as, it's equal to, A times the quantity of B plus A times the quantity of C. If these were subtraction, it would be exactly the same thing. B minus C would be the same minus A times the quantity of C. So it doesn't matter if it's subtraction or addition. It's A, you can distribute the A to both terms inside of the parentheses, and that's what we're doing here. So this is our example for today. It's 3 times the quantity of 4x minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute that 3 to the first term, which is 4x. And then we're going to end up with 3 times the quantity of 4x. And what's our operation today? It's minus. So we're going to have to distribute this 3 also to the second term, which is a 1. We're going to end up with 3 times the quantity of 1. Let's do that part first, because that's easy. What's 3 times 1, everybody? 3. And what's our operation? Minus. So now we're going to look at 3 times the quantity of 4x. We can break that down even further because of the associative property. We can say, okay, 3 times 4. What does that dot mean? It's a more sophisticated way of saying multiplication than the x. 3 times 4 times the variable x. So when we multiply that, we get 12x. And now just bring down this minus 3. And that expression, 12x minus 3, is equal to this expression up here. You might not look at it and believe me at first, but it is, okay? And that's what we're going to be doing, taking our expressions apart and then putting them back together to come up with equivalent expressions. I'm going to give you a few minutes to replay this or to think about this, and then I'm going to go on with more examples for you. They'll be in subsequent videos, okay? So check out the next videos.